In this video, we will go over how to create an event. First, log in using your username and password. Then select the My Events link on the left side of the page. Select the Create Event button. This will allow you to create an event in the system. We begin with the name of the event. Then type in the location where it will be held. Select an event category that most closely matches. For our example, we will select a food service project. You now have an option to make the event public or private. Public events are searchable by all users in the system, while private events are visible only to those you invite. Our sample event we will leave as public. If your event is part of a larger project or institution, you can select to affiliate it with that existing project. By default, it is set to no, but if you click it, it turns to yes and the existing project list becomes available for you to choose from. To avoid confusion, you want to make sure your event name is not the same as an existing project name. Next, we add a start date and time. If this is not a one-time project, you can click the recurring box and select a frequency. As well as specific details of that recurrence. Our example will be one time only, so we will deselect recurring and enter an end date and time. In the About section, you can write a description of the event. Then click Create Event. The next page is called What Do You Need, and it allows you to identify specific quantities of items needed for the event. This is a skippable page in case your event does not need any items. Here, we are indicating that we need 20 bananas for our food service event. You can always edit this item by clicking the edit icon. The next page is called Who Do You Need? And here we can select the types of team members and indicate their roles and how many people are needed for this event. In our example, we will skip this page. Once we finish all the sections, you are taken to the unique page for your event. By clicking on Manage Event, you are taken back to the What Do You Need and Who Do You Need pages so you can add or edit the items and volunteers needed. In our example, we are indicating that we need 5 volunteers for distribution in our food service event. Once we add that team, we can search for registered users in the system and invite them to the event. Here we are inviting Dinesh. As an event creator, you can also take part in the event you've created. Click on Participate. This will show you an overview of how many people or items are still needed for an event. If you click Count Me In, you are added as a volunteer and the bar will update. If our event creator also wants to bring some resources, he can show how many bananas he will bring. Then by clicking I'm done, we save the changes made.